Welcome to our Activecampaign landing page builder tutorial. Today we'll show you how to create and publish stunning landing pages using Activecampaign's easy-to-use tools. You can access Activecampaign directly through the link in the description below. Whether you're signing up for the first time or logging into your existing account, the link makes it super easy to get started. Let's dive right in. To create a landing page in Activecampaign, log into your account and click on the website button in the left menu. Then select Pages. Click Create a new page to get started. You can choose to design your page from scratch or use a pre-built template for a quicker setup. After picking a template, name your page and hit Save. Use the drag and drop builder to customize your page. Add text, images, and buttons by dragging them into place. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Publish Page and confirm your page URL. After publishing, you can view your live landing page using the provided link. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe for more Activecampaign tips.